Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. I was working with some brass the other day and the vice was marking it, so I thought I'd make some soft jaws for it. I've got this little scrap of oak that I've cleaned up and I'm going to rip down into some strips to fit in the jaws. The vice I have has 10cm jaws, so I'm cross-cutting this down into 10cm bits. To attach it to the jaws of the vice, I've decided to use magnets, so I'm just using a 10mm Forstner bit to drill out some little shallow holes to accept them. Then I can get some dabs of CA glue into the holes and get the magnets pushed into place. Whilst I had the glue out, I got a bit of glue put along the top of the bit with the magnets in. Then I got a bit without magnets glued onto the top. From the side you can see this is kind of an L shape, so one bit goes in the jaws and the other bit rests on top just for alignment. As this top bit is only for alignment, the glue is probably strong enough, but I decided to go and add a few pilot holes and screws just to strengthen it. Now I've got some veg tan leather. This is 3mm thick and I'm going to cut this down so it's just slightly oversized than the jaws. This is just a bit I had in my leather scrap bin, but an old belt would work just as well. I find PVA wood glue works really well on wood and leather, so I'm going to glue them in place with that. And they're always going to be pushed on by the vice anyway. To help keep them in place while the glue dries, I get them mounted in the vice and then tightened up so they push on each other. When the glue's dried, I can run a knife around and trim off all the excess. And that's them all done. Quick to make, even quicker to install, and I shouldn't damage any more brass. Thanks for watching, thanks to my Patreons, and please subscribe for more videos.